I'm Dr. Jackie Fiddler. I'm from originally St. Paul, Minnesota, but grew up in Central Illinois. I went to undergraduate school in Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, at St. Ambrose University, and then I attended the University of Missouri in St. Louis for optometry school. I originally wanted to stay in the Midwest, but my husband also is working here on faculty at SCO, and he was our driver to come down to Memphis. And ever since then, I've done a residency here and learned minor surgical procedures, which is something that we can do as optometrists in Memphis, Tennessee, and in the state of Tennessee. I did a residency a couple of years after I graduated here at SCO as a primary care and ocular disease resident, where I had an emphasis in minor surgical procedures. I knew I wanted to do something in the healthcare field, in the medical field, and in undergrad I wasn't sure what that was going to look like or what I wanted it to be. And I got a job with an optometrist in the local area and found that he loved his life, loved his career, and I found the content very interesting and knew that this was the path in the medical field that was right for me. You'll be able to find me in the third year of school in the surgical procedures laboratory and lecture. And then I assist in a few other laboratories like your anterior segment and different theory labs. Everyone here is phenomenal. You'll hear from a lot of schools that you interview with or speak with that it's a very family-oriented or family-like place, and that's truly the case here. Everyone is wanting the best for you and wanting to bring the best out of you, and it's incredibly supportive as not just the SCO community, but the Memphis community as well. I've been at SCO for 3 years, including my residency year, 2 years as a faculty. A lot of the outdoor activities are incredible. My favorite spot's the Memphis Botanical Gardens, so a great place to take a walk or to bring a book and a picnic and hang out for the day. The Memphis Zoo is outstanding, and I've been to many zoos. So there's a lot of outdoor elements and outdoor activities, even in the heat of the summer, that can be very enjoyable. It's a very hard journey being an optometry student. It's a very rigorous schedule and a lot that is going to be very stressful, but everyone here truly does want to support you and let you lean on them and have the best outcome for your experience here and success even after you're graduated. The program is very strong with alumni even to make sure that you're doing the best in your career for years and years.